In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a zip file in Google Drive. If you've ever received a zip file that you need to access directly from Google Drive, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step to make sure everything goes smoothly. First, let's begin by navigating to Google Drive where your zip file is stored. Once you're there, find the zip file that you need to open. This might be one that was shared with you or one you uploaded yourself. Now click on this file to highlight it. With your zip file selected, you'll notice three vertical dots at the top right corner of the File Options menu. A universal symbol for more options. By clicking on these dots, you will unveil a small menu featuring several apps that can help you manage your files. For our task today, look for the app called Zip Extractor. After selecting Zip Extractor, a new window will open. This is where you'll need to authorize the application to interact with your Google Drive. Authorization is a way to allow the app to access and open the zip files directly from your account. To proceed, you'll need to click on the Authorize button, which will initiate the process of verifying your identity and permissions. Once you click Authorize, you'll be prompted to select the Google account associated with your drive. Choose the appropriate account, and if prompted, confirm any permissions required for Zip Extractor. This might involve allowing the app to access your drive to extract your files. Following this, the Zip Extractor will guide you through another window to confirm the extraction. Here, you'll select Extract to Drive. This option will allow the individual files within the Zippy to be extracted and saved directly into your Google Drive, making them accessible and easy to manage. Finally, once the extraction process is completed, a message will pop up confirming that your files have been successfully extracted. You can then view these files in your Google Drive. Simply navigate to the folder designated for extraction, and you'll see all the contents that were in the zip file now available as separate accessible documents. And that's it. You've now successfully opened and extracted a zip file in Google Drive using Zip Extractor. I hope this was helpful and that you feel comfortable with the process. If you'd like more tips and tech tutorials, be sure to like and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.